Hola clase, ¿cómo están? It's Señora Shapiro with the next video in our series. This one is about demonstrative adjectives and pronouns, and it is from Unidad 2 en Avancemos 2. Demonstrative adjectives and pronouns, what are they? You can use demonstrative adjectives to point out people or things that are nearby and farther away from you. A demonstrative adjective always comes before the noun and agrees with it in gender and number. Let's take a closer look. ¿Cuánto cuesta este anillo? How much does this ring cost? Here, este is the demonstrative adjective. It comes before anillo, the noun, and agrees with it in number and gender. Ese anillo cuesta $10. That ring costs $10. Again, ese is the demonstrative adjective, comes before anillo, and agrees with it in number and gender. Aquel anillo es más barato. That ring over there is more expensive. Aquel is the demonstrative adjective, comes before anillo, and agrees with it in number and gender. Demonstrative adjectives can also be used as pronouns to replace nouns. To distinguish them from demonstrative adjectives, they have a written accent. Let's take a closer look. No me gusta este anillo, pero me gusta ese. In this example, este comes right before anillo, so it is the demonstrative adjective. But here, ese is not followed by a noun, has the accent mark, so you know it's the pronoun. I don't like this ring, but I like that one. ¿Ves esas bolsas? Me gusta esa, pero no me gusta aquella. Again, in the second example, esa is not followed by a noun and has an accent mark. Aquella, likewise, not followed by a noun and has the accent mark. In this case, both of these are demonstrative pronouns. So let's take a look at the forms. The demonstrative adjectives: este, esta, estos, estas. And just to help you remember them, the words with T's mean this and these. And the pronouns are exactly the same, but they have the accent marks. And again, when you use them, they will not be followed by nouns. That and those, closer to the person you are talking to, but not right near the speaker. Ese, esa, esos, esas. These adjectives will be followed by a noun that agrees with them. And again, the pronouns have the same form, except they have the accent marks and will not be followed by nouns. That and those over there, far from the speaker and far from the person to whom you are speaking, so far from both of you. Aquel, aquellos, aquella, aquellas. And again, the pronouns have the same form, except they have the added accent mark, and we know they will not be followed by a noun. Okay, chicos, es todo para hoy. That's it. That's demonstrative adjectives and pronouns in a nutshell. Please make sure to continue on after this video, answer the questions that follow, and submit the survey. Gracias. Nos vemos pronto. Ciao.